One of the biggest events in Europe in the biotech sector is without a doubt BioEurope, and this year's event was held in the beautiful German city of Leipzig. As well as lots of colour-coded booths for one-on-one meetings, there were also plenty of exhibitors, so Labiotech had an opportunity to find out about the biotech scenes in Portugal, Greece and Mauritius, as well as to talk to more than a dozen companies about their work.
So IRBM is an ex-Merck discovery site based just outside Rome in Pomezia. It's a company stacked full of drug hunters that put 4 drugs currently on the market. We cover all services right through from target validation through to candidate nomination, and we do that all under one roof. So rapid cycle times, lots of integration between the scientists. It's a great service, and we work with a lot of clients from big pharma, biotech through to non-profit foundations. It's a wealth of expertise going on there.
So can you kind of run me through the process, like who would use your services and how they would get in touch, and then what the process is?
Yeah, sure. So people get in touch with us through a variety, through the website forms, from social media, through contact at conferences like this, where we talk about their drug discovery needs, and we connect them then with the scientific team in IRBM. And we try and do that as fast as possible, because it's so much better to get that dialogue between scientist and scientist to really uncover what their needs are, how we can support them, whether it's a fully integrated project where we're doing everything for them but working as a very cohesive team, or whether we're just providing standalone services, one-off solutions for their needs at that particular time.
So there's no one-size-fits-all?
No, unfortunately, if it was that simple. But no, I think what really works the best is when we're not working in a black box, where we have lots of information from the client as much as possible, so that we can really impact their project, really put something, add value to them, accelerate them, make them go faster, get them to the next, particularly with virtual biotech, they're looking to get to the next inflection point. And we want to take them there as rapidly on a critical path as possible, so that we're not doing nice to have experiments necessarily, we're doing the critical experiments to take them to the next point of funding. And that to us is a success when that happens. And also working for pharma, they have goals that they need to achieve. We're very goal focused, and it's the more we work as a cohesive team with our partners, the more successful we see those projects.
All right, and I guess it must be difficult for some companies to know exactly what they want. I guess you're able to steer them in the right direction?
Well, we do come across that, yes. There's some companies that are very, know exactly what they want, but for those that don't, we have the scientific know-how within IRBM. We have a chief science officer and we will apply as much scientific expertise and know-how to any project. We will do our homework, we will research the target, we will go into the background so that we can propose ideas and insights into the program and really help our clients for that. That's kind of what we're all about. That's what we enjoy doing.
And I guess it helps that you have a network to be able to fall back on, I guess.
Definitely. I mean, we are well networked all across Europe and the US, and we can call upon the services. Obviously, we cannot provide everything, and that's as a CRO, we provide pretty much right through to candidate nomination, but specific animal models that might be needed or something like that, we have the infrastructure and the network to be able to source those for our clients.
Sure. And what's the reason for being at BioEurope?
Well, really, we want to, this has been a great opportunity to re-engage with people we haven't spoken to since before COVID, to catch up with them on their projects, and to look for additional projects that we can, companies that we can support.